Rose.
Okay.
Rose are rose?
Go to my bottom, I see and
No bottom.
Look
at the sea end.
I go underneath the water.
Rose, Rose, can you swim?
Let me tell you so a lot. Fish here look back.
But some fish can't swim.
I know them fish them here.
You know, I'm going for your program.
Yeah, this are going. Are you there for the program that are going? What? Oh, yeah. That is from Park and Night. What relax this time?
Yeah, I want a good lady, you know? Yeah.
I drink up the whole of the pot here with the Callaloo. I'm not even lying. And look on the fish, brown and nice over here. So today is me and Prefect in the kitchen. You know, the Prefect himself, we're making it work. Yeah, they look pretty here. Pretty. Na 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 na.
Up on the girls, them now where we spend. And we no borrow and we no lay. But we rather give you before you drop down. And there.
The great Rosa Rose.
Shark, this here a shark.
Oh, that they don't need to know.
I'll be down by the river.
Yeah.
Girl, them pick up my way.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Yeah. Oh, this sea is rough. Wow. Quick. Yeah, well. Wow. It's a very rough day today. At the sea. Very rough day today. Rough and tough. As you can hear the wind. It's very rough. Look at this boat. This boat is nice, brand new. Brand new. If you can see this boat, it's brand new. Ready for go touch the waters. Yes guys, it's rough today. But listen, today we're heading on up by Mammee River. You know, as you can see, it's bright and sunny. But you know, Mother Nature is sometimes it can change. But for now, it's bright and sunny. So today we want to head up to Mammee River, you know, to all our vibe, because natural is a bit busy today, you know. So we can go and just all our vibe at the river, cook some food, you know, we and the team, chill out, you know, have a good time. So that's our plan for today, you know. So I'm willing to take you guys along with us on that journey, but I have to be shouting because it's so much wind. Feels good at the same time, but it is so windy. I don't know if you can hear me. Can you hear the words that's coming out my mouth? Windy. Look at that, rough. It's rough, it's tough, it's rough. Very rough. Well, it's very rough today, I'm not even lying. It's nice, I don't want to leave it. Rough around there.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, we're getting some parrot fish. We're going to cook on all our vibes on the river. Today's a river vibe, is it my fireman?
Yeah.
Today's a river vibes. Watch your step. So we're getting some parrot fish, you know. So as you can see, it's sunny today. As what I said, you know what Mother Nature is like. In a quick, in a flash, everything changed. So hopefully it stays the way how it is today. You know, nice sunny day today. With them parrot fish and some Callaloo rice. You ever want the Rasta man Callaloo rice?
Yeah.
Ever eat the one there before?
Yes, man.
Oh.
Nice rice then, you know.
Cooked down in a coconut milk.
Yes. That help the rice.
Help the rice.
Yeah, you understand. That is what it for starch and then the Callaloo, you know.
Yeah.
Let me back with it, right?
Nice.
You don't know, yeah, and different nutrients that I get from the count too much starch, you see?
Yes.
Callaloo rice, yeah man.
Yeah man, so that's our plan today for doing some Callaloo rice with them
Some parrot fish.
some parrot fish.
Parrot fish are better fish and them attack, you know, because vegetarian. Parrot no eat meat.
Parrot no eat meat though.
And the plant meat. That's why them same thing in the reef. And the plant grow on the reef.
Yes.
And the plant meat strictly.
Okay.
So you not carry no hormones. You fling all of dead chicken in the sea. You don't fish them rushes. You don't see that.
It now look at that. It's a parrot fish, or the vegetable fish. Vegetarian fish.
Yeah.
So when you're eating the parrot fish, you're eating vegetables.
Yeah, proper fish with no hormones, like
No,
where you don't need in the system, like
Yes.
I'm just straight nutrients.
Yes. Right there. And that's what we need in our body. Straight nutrients. See them there? It's vegetarian fish. You know. that is what we're gonna deal with today, boy. Hopefully the weather stay how it stay. Nice like this.
I know we see in the clouds, it's part of the clouds, but the sun is upstairs.
Yeah.
The clouds look like water in it. But the temperature go be, you know?
Yeah.
One of them is the thing. And when the time comes, you know, all of the water in the clouds.
Yeah.
Because if no rain or fall, and not until the sun goes up.
That's like later.
Yeah, get the temperature fall. Like going to eat. Maybe all them clothes are fast by then still, you know?
Yes,
so we're looking for a good day still.
Yeah. Definitely looking for a good day. I'm hoping for a good day, boy. Hoping for a good day. Let's just see that. So guys, so stay tuned. Water fresh. Yes guys, we're here in Trench Town. Whoa, chef!
Okay.
Ah, bad.
Oh, man, sir.
Oh, go on. Tired?
She will kill my man.
Alright.
Spread out them, man.
Yeah, spread them out now.
When I've been cold today.
Yes, that's a good bit there. But now I bring no stove because stove up there. Our new spot in and the same spot in.
Oh, okay.
Mammee River.
Canary River?
Mammee.
Where's Mammee River?
Right, just look a bit up from the one over go. Just look a bit up.
Daddy River.
Alright, where your turn? Alright, we have Rasta Jackson ready. And we're ready and waiting. From morning, aye.
From morning, so we just go fly the bag now already, you know?
Yes, aye.
So you know, say, one got to go pool from early out, you know?
Yeah.
From early out.
From early out. And we have, Lucky back.
We have one piece in our bag, and this message me now, one piece. Yeah, one piece.
A one piece. And two piece. Oh, so you need to we have one. Alright, so Rosa and him son. China man.
Yeah, man, I don't know.
You know the thing go already.
I know, man, enjoyment, man, I don't know.
Yes, one pushing out.
Yeah.
Era! The man just disappear so. No, because you want to clean that. Yeah. So we have for those part. Eh?
Tell me
No, cause a pure lane that.
boys and girls and them know.
Aye.
Powerful is tallest in the world.
Aye.
Green and gold, can you see it in the clouds? Hey, can we shout? Tell them right now.
Right now.
Right now. Tell them right now. Powerful is tallest, they say powerful is tallest in the world. Ice green and gold. Gold. Powerful is tallest in the world. Hey, what's wrong with that now?
Mammee River.
Mammee River.
Eden Paradise.
Paradise. You know, think of it nice.
Nice.
Oh.
Happy nice.
Yeah. Go down by the riverside, you know.
Yeah.
Oh. Interview.
Yeah, come. Well. Blessed love, guys. So we here. Finally touch on right, Rosa.
Right.
Rosa.
Swimming pool now.
Swimming pool time now.
One of them river or swimming pool.
Well, both of them. Yeah. Both of them we here. Take up a pot there from. Oh, there we are. Yeah. Two ladies. Hello. Them thing big up on yourself, Welcome to Mammee River, ladies. Thank you for.
We are here to take very good care of the ladies then, right? Yes.
That is it. So we.
Yes, and it's all about the hills. Climb up the hills now, you know?
Yeah.
It's all about, you know?
Prefect said he's not missing this trip.
From Trenchtown going to take part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Prefect said he's not
pressure.
missing.
Yeah.
Come give yourself a shout out.
You guys can follow my Instagram at Jazzy Unexpected. Same for TikTok.
We say at Jazzy Unexpected.
That unexpected.
Alright then, what's your Instagram? No, Instagram.
Yabby.
Yabby.
You know like one.
That's the name, Yabby. Gabby.
Boy, it's so wicked.
Up here is the spot. Guys, some tell us that we're coming back here to all our vibes. You know, today is another vibe here today. From Trenchtown, right?
Yeah, Tino and the whole family.
Yeah.
Dream team. Respected. You know?
We out.
Yeah. Give thanks and praise to the Most High, yeah. Keep our life and keep us here. That we cannot do the thing to represent the community also.
Yeah.
All over the world.
You are going.
Yes. And we are here to do the right thing. Which is right.
It is right.
Yeah.
Have a nice time. I'm done.
Okay, you're the fan. You're for the stream, man.
Yeah. Big up. Empress. When I get big here. When I get big here. Rose there. Alright. I want to get caught. No, listen up, Johnny come check me, say some people ask. Listen up, Johnny come ask me what they say, yo, you know somebody I watch your video and they want to know which part of the river there? Yeah. Even some girl on 4th Street there, so. And I say, I have to come that river there. Yeah. Oh, lovely day. In our kitchen. Hey, John.
Now I fish this.
I fish this.
Yeah.
Everything the rest of man say, man, I'm so come, man.
I'm saying I'm so rich, man. He called me a while ago. No, see the shop there, man. Him say refreshment. See the shop there. He's so rich. Yeah. Oh, chef, take out the fish then. Alright.
Chicken.
Take out the fish there. Perfect, say here.
Yes, man.
You said this trip ain't missing you.
No more. No more?
Yeah.
No missing again.
So the fish here, we get some fish, some parrot fish.
Yeah.
Some parrot fish.
The biggest one. Not the round one, don't go. No, next one.
Some parrot fish we're doing today. Ripper, the first to come out that one here?
Yeah, man.
See?
You know that one, you know.
Well, I discover them, man.
No, I forgot to pay that one here.
Oh. Good look. Yo, you have another pool around this as well too, you know, walk around more. Yes, a rose?
Yeah. Water time now, fish are going to come out here now.
Yes.
The fish this now.
At the swimming time now. Rose. Tell the whole of them so this is rose. Rose.
Go down my bottom, I see you now.
No bottom. Look at the sea end.
I go underneath the water now.
Rose, can you swim?
Let me tell you so. Fish here look back.
But some fish can't swim.
I know them fish them here. You don't talk them fish.
Never be one of those fish. You talk the fish in the scale?
Yes, Rose, I'm still going to chuck off.
Mine, you know, a rock, you know.
You can't take off your slippers now,
Yeah, this is the park, guys. So we are back here at Mammee River. So here we go change. Cut that one there. Yeah. Alright, other one they go.
Oh, I was that dream team.
Yeah.
Okay, you know, you don't know it's all about, you know.
Yeah, go right.
So you know what a good med.
Yeah.
We have to come on and rock you up in the hills.
Patrol chef. So.
Right in the river stream.
Yeah.
Where the river they make them so
See there?
Yeah.
So wash it down yesterday?
Yeah, make them see the depot along there. Make them say what the distance over there pan.
Yeah.
So you know we come here say we wanna look come here, we tell them say no, what we are gonna do now?
Yeah.
We say what the river your name again, Kino? Right.
Mammee River.
Here it go.
Eden
now.
Paradise.
We are going all a little meds in the air. When they rock down at the river, me say that's the way I trail. Me say all a little meds up in the air. I be sexy body girls, and me say that's side away. All a little meds in the air. Baby, don't be shy, because this I feel. You know the making of the air skinner.
Tell them again.
Oh, me come, tell them. If you want all a vibe, you want to feel nice.
No, we want to go in the next part? No, you want on the floor.
Kino, what you say? If you want all a vibes and you want to feel nice
and
up on the river, I make you all a little vibes. If you want to feel good
nice,
and if you want to feel nice. Up in the hills, me a all a little vibes, me say. All the hills just a make.
Hey, tell them again.
Tell them this a one and me say yes, it's a free spread. All over the world we a tell them. Dream team, yes, and them a take it to them. And me say up in the Israel wall of men. Life we a do it and you know we know the in the Israel wall of men. Tell it to your family, tell it to your friends. The dream team, I love yes again.
We are tell you all of them, you know, we come from Trench Pen, represent the community and we are teach it to them. When we born, yes, you know, me mama put me in the street, Trench Town, me man and go, that's a representative. I you never know, say this, I want we teach them good things, outer road dream team, and the things you doing. Outer road, yes, you know, everybody know him. What a little mates in the AA dream team.
One team,
it's all about, you know?
So they are all a vibe.
Okay.
Mammee River, the hidden paradise. You know the thing go. Wait there. Hey, wait there. Rosa.
No, say I no fish again, a lobster. Lobster. Yeah. That me I tell you now.
Hey, say change now.
Yeah.
You guys, watch your walk.
Hey,
Because yeah, the stone that juke him. The stone that juke him. Watch it.
This is Rosa Rose.
Yeah, represent him.
Yes, it's all about
It's all about.
Shaggy Fall, one Shaggy Fall,
Yeah.
Trench Town represent.
And one Rosa.
One Rosa Rose.
Rosa. Give them something
It's
like that
all
on the river
about
now. Rosa.
Alright, you don't know
Come on, Rosa.
Yeah, the great altar in the sun.
Rosa run go in at the water
Yeah.
because it's really cold.
Trench Town where we born and grow. So we have to represent our get home. Yes, and we are the one that's doing the good things. All over the
All
world.
over the world.
Trench Town, Kino. It's all about you and the dream team.
That
All of
is
us who get ourselves involved in this good things that we see you are doing for the people who are in needed. One love. We love that.
Oh. Yeah. All right, guys. So we have boom there. Remote. So we have boom. Rasta Messi I sort out the coconut for me. Cause you know today we're gonna cook some Callaloo rice and fried fish cooked down. You know. Jack, see that one there? Callaloo rice.
I just say, no man, no, I can't top the teeth, man. I don't do them things, man. Yes, ice gold and green.
Ice gold and green. Callaloo rice cooked down in coconut milk. Ever bad.
It's goodies. I ain't have a coconut. And my favorite, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, with carrot, pumpkin,
Alright.
everything cut up together.
Alright.
You know, so they done all the pot them fine.
So this time Jackie say he's swimming.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so boom over here I go and great height and the thing go. How for banana then here?
Bar one. Bull line and a bar.
Ah, see that. So boom and roll through. Boom and the owner. So up here. Yeah man. He love the vibes, you know. Man, so we have to come back and burn the energy with him. So we have to roll in, you know. A long time I take care of the place, boomer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah man, them soup. Here it now. Oh way.
I'll be down by the river.
Tell them Rosa.
Waiting for the good girl, them come my way.
And again.
Oh yeah. Them lock it back on. Some of them are lock it back.
Yeah. And them now pull it back.
Them now pull it back.
Wait till Rosa get the key, them off the locky back. Locky back.
AJ, take time you know, man.
AJ.
You only so deep, you know, so.
Hey. Movie star time now. Oh, which one? Them? Come on. Run them around.
Oh, come on there. Boom, get to the coconut.
I them my coffee dog.
Yeah.
That's a nicer.
What's it? Ah man, it's just dead. Yeah.
Stop pose and Kimbo.
No, we don't want that video.
Stop pose and Kimbo.
You know it. You know what about it.
Come here, the water boy, you afraid?
Oi! That's a go on. How this boy family?
Yeah.
Are you
Are you a family?
My family too.
Hold on, we got your step around. Come in, one more, come in. Hold on. You can walk. Just up and come there.
Yeah? Well. This is.
That catch Rosa Rose.
What? The great Rosa Rose.
Shark, this here, shark.
Oh, that they don't need to know.
I'll be down by the river.
Yeah.
Yes, girl, them pick up my way.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. See them by your way, Rosa Rose. See them there?
See them there.
See them by your way. See them by your way.
Oh.
Say, I'm me, I'm Kino. Oh. We waiting for this.
Good Lord.
Away. A big team of them.
Oh. How that called, bro? No. Hey, catch him in neck. Hey. Hey. I lie myself.
Yeah. Oh, them a swimmer. Oh, they can't swim.
Them a swimmer, them a go on, them can't swim.
Them a swimmer.
Them in a swimwear.
Rosa, what they say? I will meet you by the way.
River.
Yes, Rosa, Rose.
What's the age here, do y'all? Through that water, you know.
You know, I'm going for your program.
See that this a go on. Are you there on the program or that a go on?
Jeez. What?
Boy, go on now. Go on now. Eh?
I'm a routine. Never tell us I'm a routine.
A rotate, man.
I'm a routine. It's swimming. What are we doing? I'm walking around, I'm swimming.
Well, Rosa, mind you drown him. Mind you drown him. Rosa, mind you drown him. No, him says a lobster. One is a lobster, one is a what? A shark. One is a lobster, one is a shark. One is a lobster, one is a shark.
A regular shebang.
Come on, by yourself, man.
A boy.
Yeah.
A boy, I teach him a teacher.
You're not John. Hey, remember? You're not John. Remember daddy right there. Hold daddy. Rosa, what you say my lobster and you're a shark? What go on? Rosa say yo, him a the lobster. And who are the shark? No, him a, we call it sprat. Him a sprat. A shrimp. Yeah, look at this fall right here. Yes, sir. Eh? Where? Yes, sir. Eh? And the fall, bad one, that's all. I call a bad round here, so. Yo! Them want to score them stone here? Yeah. Good man, what about man? We are cry for. Come to you. Alright. Yo, what?
Why? Freedom in the water. I love the charges. Freedom.
Alright,
Come here and say, I want to touch me.
Guys, it's your girl Jazzy. Yeah, guys, can follow me on the TikTok because I'm a dancer. Yeah, it's Jazzy. And that underscore that exclusive. Remember, guys, follow me. Yeah. Same for TikTok. Yeah, guys, and I'm keeping a beach trip, river trip, August the 25th. I want to come out, take a look at the White River, guys. Want to come out, come enjoy the fun.
Which day?
Yeah, girl, the 25th of August.
Okay.
Yes, guys, remember now.
Give yourself a shout out, no man.
Come make it, give yourself a shout out now. Your Instagram, girl.
Give yourself a shout. Instagram, who you have?
How my Instagram go again?
Like, for you, when I use Instagram. It's her Instagram. I guess the camera is dead.
Wow.
Oh. Come back here, baby. Hi. Hello. Your Instagram name, girl.
Gabriella Ferguson. No, Gabriella Ferguson. 81.
Yeah, guys. And I'm gonna say, Jazzy, that underscore, that exclusive. Yeah, guys, go follow me. Yeah.
Follow. Alright, so that's a Jackson. I set up the coal.
Let him give them in
Right
a
there.
different direction.
How it looks up on coal?
Girls don't say they really love the action.
This can
We are keep them in
Oh.
a different
Yeah,
direction.
That's why this is a boil corn and juice, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, don't put them on that for fried fish. Them.
This.
Yeah, man, this is a line up, man, for boil something, man. That's a,
That's a good, right?
yeah, because that's what they can fry the fish, man. Cook it down at the same time, you see.
So good then.
Yes.
If anything, listen, you know, if anything, we can get fire stick.
Yeah, man, fire stick there, yeah, man.
Fire stick.
See fire stick, yeah. See that?
Everything is everything I try to.
Love with connection.
No,
It's not flow.
no, man, boy, the fish pan this, I will try the fish pan this. Can you look up the broad pot here and go pan this? No, man, it's
It's not no elevation.
Go on, no, man, no. Oh, this can fry pan this, only for cold and this fry fish,
Alright, so cutting up the callaloo.
We'll be done by the rain.
Alright, we gotta have my reaction room.
Yeah, no, nobody call you up. Yeah. Well, whoa, chef. Guys, whoa, chef forgot the strainer. You know, whoa, chef forgot the knife. A good thing, Rasta Jackson walk with the butcher, man. Butcher, yo. Rasta Jackson. Yeah, good thing, Rasta Jackson roll with the butcher, man. So right now we have to improvise. Yeah, no strainer. This is the strainer. So we're going to use this for strainer. For juice, the coconut. So we have the fire them lit. Fish them season up, spice up and everything. Fish them spice up. Right now we have two nice spots.
Here, upon this bamboo tree here,
Yeah.
we have a very medical herb that are herbal.
Jackson, bring up the your way, man. Say.
They're human structure.
Yeah.
Yes.
See
This is
that?
the giant, yes.
The giant earth and them thing there.
Otherwise they call it, some people call it pepper welder.
Yeah.
But it's giant. This is good for your joints.
Yeah.
This is good for your blood. This clean your and biliary.
Yeah.
Yes. This take away all sickness. It's have a little bitter taste in it, but if you work with it, there is no disappointment about it.
Yeah.
I learned many things about this herbal bush here, and I need to go more on the internet to make a research to find out more about
it.
It's all about the dream team.
One team.
We say that good for a lot of things.
Yeah, man.
So guys, so this is the Callaloo, you know, boom already.
Oh yeah.
Cut it up. So I'm just go and
Give it finish touch.
Finishing touch, you know.
Yeah. Material to the vine,
So,
you know.
yeah.
Bloody stream.
To the very stream.
Keep it up and running, you know. When you go down to the doctor, say you're far for your kitchen because you don't have no blood now.
So this is blood.
Yeah.
Oh, chef, is that saying you get vitamin,
Yeah,
this
is
and
the blood.
vitamin, iron,
This
everything
is
you
the
get.
blood vegetable. Yes. And when it's steamed down, it's so very delicious.
Hey. But you see this one, it's cooked down in the rice.
Yeah, sometimes you know you have a dumpling and your piece of yam and banana and sitting. You see me there? You have a piece of little saltfish in it. If you don't want to put a saltfish in it, you can mix with other things that you like. See me?
What we bring really?
Yeah, them thing are bad in the roast fish, you know. Steaming down properly, you know, them way they season up, you know. So, real delicious.
Coconut milk gone in.
You see?
So gone.
Right, I know, you know.
Yeah, well.
And it's key now, you know them say, you want in foreign to cook some of them Jamaican dishes for the foreign girls.
Yeah.
Love the Jamaican food.
Of course.
Yeah. You open up a nice restaurant over there and just start cook. Dream team. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, season out the fish them, you know what kind of fish them there.
No, sir. Great parrot.
Dream team, jam rock, spicy food.
Hold on there.
Oh.
Rose or Rose? All in a deep meditation. All in a deep meditation. On the rock. Not Tremstone rock. But you're solid on a rock.
Garden Town Rock.
Garden Town rock. See you man, I'm good. Water nice and clear man, because water pretty man.
Yeah.
Pretty man. Yeah. Pretty. First time coming up here, Rose or Rose?
Yeah, man.
First time. Nice, right?
It's nice.
Can't complain. You know, we can't complain. So, you know, as we say, we was coming here to cook some food. I know you think, guys, remember, if you're watching and you reach this far, remember to put the thumbs up. So, you know, so me, I'm prefect in the kitchen. The whole chef gone tag along, you know, gone lost in the wilderness. You know, while we're there, I gotta sort out everything. I make sure I add my early swim. So while I swim, I can get in the kitchen. You know what I mean, Rose? Right, I have to swim first and the kitchen. You know, cool down, fire down. And that kitchen, we gotta use it then. Yeah. Does that work?
Right, this.
Bring come here for a minute.
Oh, this is what I found. Yeah. Right. I'm gonna split my ketchup.
Yeah.
So the kitchen, let the kitchen look appropriate, you know? Yeah. I don't say anything if you don't know now. The kitchen is crazy. Ah, you keep the tea. Don't just around it, you know?
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's the good thing there. Can pass around. You know, one go through the bus something one of them there, you know, different days.
What do you mean?
Cook it just in the ital so cook it just in the Callaloo so cook it just in the cook it just in the Callaloo juice. Hey, Callaloo, it good for you.
Shaggy Paul, yeah?
Callaloo, it good for you.
Yeah, man, see the spangle that get up the fire.
Medical herbal.
See the genus of chop up when I do.
See the fish ready.
See fish them there.
Yeah, man. Fish.
Yeah, man. Same thing I tell you now. Jesus Par 30, about 13 fish that you know.
Alright, I know.
And Jesus Par 12 this time I make 13, you know.
So we are going to
say
14 fish.
14? And that means I miscount one then. Yeah, man.
Smoke, yeah.
About that fish there.
Hold on, may I come there? May I come there, Biggs?
Boy, lizard, I tell the cartel come and run and
Carl. Hold on for this.
Where you go?
Biggs, where's that? Oh. I think that, yeah, man, put them on this, put them there, sir. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, no, put them on side, when we can see them on this.
Down.
No, give me them. What, you see me, I say?
Yeah.
Yes, I go and catch it color for now. Yeah, you see, now we mince up the Callaloo, so. When I see the goodness, you see, because we don't have no bad energy around here. Look there, watch it, look there. Look there, watch people come on the beach, watch it. Look there, we can see it good. You never go out there and catch a better view, right? Watch people come on the beach, watch it.
The beach, river.
On the river. Yeah, man. Boy, man, I be a beach in my head for more day, you know? Mammee River over there, you know, because 2 years I don't touch beach, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, sit there.
Mammee River with the guys, I'm telling you, I was going to come back here, you know? As I said, this is a place of nature, a place of vibes.
Yeah, straight.
You know, so you know, so yeah, so I have to come back.
Yeah, straight.
And all a nice vibe, you know, so now we're cooking.
Yeah.
We're not looking.
Yeah, alright. Yes, man, see the general that come here. See the general that come here. Yes, man.
See the founder just arrived himself. Thank you for seeing me. The founder that there.
Big up.
Every time,
you know. Rasta, tell him why we're there.
Yeah, eh?
Tell them why we're there.
I love man. I love man.
Alright.
You're ultimate man, yeah man. I love man, see there? Right now they get themselves comfortable.
Nah, tell them right. The rest of them are powerful because some speech of me make one day. Yeah. You can look and see say, yeah man. Some speech of me, yeah man. Yeah, same thing. Same thing, Rasta. I love how you reason, Rasta. You're powerful.
Yeah man,
so the Rasta are the guy here up there.
Love. Every time man, yeah.
And we have Shaggy Paul, the singer.
She's singer, yeah.
People love her all over the world.
Yes,
I
man.
must know Rose from
all over the
I
world.
Can't
Whoa!
Seen this up on the rock.
The dream team, yes, they love the
Rose
play.
Rose.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
And the girls them say them want them man, yeah.
Lord God.
My
Them man, yeah.
Alright, shot.
And we not born with it and it fall up.
Yes,
Hold up.
And we don't really get y'all cold up.
Rasta. See that this second Rasta.
That's how I
A long time I ask you, you know, you see there, they're gonna ground, you know. But today now. Yeah.
And we still there, you know.
See, you know, we're there now, so we're gonna bump some tuna now.
Yeah.
And get the place quiet, yeah. We have a lot of people coming in right now, you know. Boomer. See the DJ.
Management. That's what
One
you
of the
say.
ultimate earth, man. Yes, man. They are in a big guy. Yeah,
I have the prefect over there, so
Enough love, you know.
every time, yeah, man. Every time, it's a blessing, people, man.
No, the reason,
Yeah, man, it's a blessing, it's a blessing, it's a
the reason
blessing.
powerful.
Yeah, man, it's a blessing, man. Every time.
Rose. Ask Rose what have you? Tell me we have
Green oxtail.
Whoa! Yeah. Whoa!
Rose a green oxtail.
You must see that. Green oxtail,
Well,
see
we
that?
change it from Callaloo to green oxtail.
Fly up the shop there, cause them been
And
waiting.
green oxtail, we
So
are
guys, so right now, Rose, so we have the green oxtail and the white. What's this? Green oxtail and white one. As a coconut milk.
I can see.
Okay, green oxtail and coconut milk.
My God! You know what I'm green oxtail and coconut milk mix up.
Make the thing
Then the greens mix up with the coconut milk.
Coconut milk smoothie.
Yeah, alright. See there?
Oh, Rose, I thought you said you're gonna make some smoothie. What go on? You said you're gonna make some smoothie in a year.
So get the product. We need some bulla. We want to make some bulla smoothie. We want to make bulla smoothie. And we want to make some ackee smoothie. With some beer smoothie.
Yo, come,
some salad
leave the bulla there.
And this is how
Rose said we want to make some bulla smoothie. You know what, Rose, boom of the bulla.
Yeah.
So don't feel like boom come without the bulla.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
no banana smoothie.
Yeah.
Don't get me rudy.
Whoa.
Let me say, we want to get them for coaly.
We're not talking about no Chinese, them coaly.
Green oxtail. I see that. See that?
Real green oxtail. See
Green oxtail.
And white gravy.
You know what it
Green oxtail
You know what this green
smoothie.
oxtail? Look on it. See there?
Smoothie.
Rose,
Green oxtail smoothie.
Rose say want to make some bulla smoothies.
See the spangle get the fire line there.
See there?
Then you do
Bulla smoothie.
Oh, bulla smoothie. See them there?
Rose, here.
Right production, them.
Yes, bulla smoothie. Wow. Bulla smoothie. You want a bulla?
Later will
The
be
ladies them a come here.
Give
The
me a
ladies
bulla
them a
then.
come here.
What you mean? Tell them how long you eat bulla. From which place? Cool what?
Back in ideas.
From Boys Town.
all age.
Boy, Father Sherlock days.
Yes, Mr.
Yeah, from
Sherlock.
Boys Town.
And
From Father
Mr.
Sherlock.
Copeland.
Miss Birdna.
Mr. Copeland.
And Mr. Copeland.
And Mr. O again.
Boy, I forgot them teacher they make a whole heap, you know.
Huh?
That's my teacher them a whole heap,
You want
you know.
banana
And also you have
Iron
down Miss Lemard.
Yes,
Iron?
man.
You know that one
Lick him with it, lick him with it.
And
And
This
see.
will lick them.
And they say
And this a
lick
little bit.
him. Stop.
Give them the star.
High up on yonder. They say working money enough is squander. Squander.
What I got for me veranda.
Veranda.
Wish you want to say this one and me have it. I mean
Answer.
the wonder.
Give her a son and a daughter.
Whoa!
Put it in a me name and it register.
What you know? When she down there, yes, me represent as a father. Not a sperm donor, a real father. Oh. So guys, as you can see, you know, Callaloo is ready. Right there. Callaloo is ready.
Yes, man.
The Jamaican bomb alarm is bullet.
So we have man like Boomer just rolling through. Na 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 na.
Up on the girls and now where we spend.
Hey, hey.
And we no borrow and we no lay.
Hey.
But we rather give you before you drop down. And there.
Hey.
That's what Dream Team said. Whoa, 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 yeah.
They said what?
They said, Dream Team, you are so great. And over the world, people seem Dream Team fame.
Sure.
And over the world, people they keep on saying,
sure.
Say Dream Team, you got to be my friend. All over the world, that's what they say. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Dream Team, you know you doing positive things. All over the world. We represent where we come from in Jamestown.
Yes.
That is where is Bob Marley ground.
Hey.
Culture yard, you know we're here to make the sound.
Sure.
The youth them from Trenchtown. Hello. Oh.
Yeah. I mean, oh, I.
Fire just a come on, that's why.
Yeah.
Team or
that is it. They know say Kina life in Jamaica is here. You know them say Dream Team. Sweet. You have been a slippers? But the right thing is if you walk barefoot here, so connect with nature.
a long time, you know.
All of that patio with the Callaloo. I'm not even lying. And look on the fish, brown and nice over here. So today is me and Prefect in the kitchen. You know, the Prefect himself, we're making it work. The earth have to get back some.
The chef here is very effective, you know?
Yes, sir.
It's not burning, but have a nice sensation.
Yeah, it have a nice look, you know. I saw it must be exactly.
Very peppery.
You know, Albert call it flash fry.
And spicy. I like it that way, golden fry.
Yes, the golden fry. Golden fry.
Right now, them chef and the girls, them pan girls, them all. Nice food to them.
That is it.
Golden fry, chicken and, you see me? Chips and them like those nice eating food, you know?
Yeah.
Only Jamaican alone can cook them delicious dish.
Just like that.
Yeah, no other than.
Just like that.
You want to taste how me cook? Come to Jamaica.
Hey. Oh, they want to taste how the Dream Team cook.
Come look. If you want to taste how
they want to taste how the
Shaggy
Dream
Team cook. Shaggy Dream Team.
Yeah.
Key no dream team. Focus it.
So I'm putting the rice now. Put rice in the Callaloo pot here.
Voila. Alright.
Yeah. So you already season the pot. You know, anything that was season the pot already. Callaloo rice. This I got nice. Say it. Why? Yeah. Whoa, she's sleeping. Yeah, what a vibe. That is it.
That is it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, all the vibes, you know? Yeah, man. All the vibes, you know? All the sleeping vibes.
Yeah. Oh, she's fine spot.
Yeah, man. Nice spot this one, you know?
That's guys, so we are waiting for the food to go and simmer down. You know, waiting on the rice to simmer down a bit. Well, wipe up the camera. Yeah. Waiting for the rice to simmer down and you know, say a sharing time. You know, so the rice has steamed down a little bit. What, boom? What do you mean? Boom, make sure I get P1. Yeah. That is it, boom.
Water nice. Water nice.
What relax this time?
Yeah, I want a good lady, you know? Yeah.
Last time I miss it.
Yeah. Well, wash up relax, you know? Yeah.
Not yours.
Beat on the chest and then breathe it. Yeah. And the back I get beat up.
Yeah.
Fine.
Everywhere.
Where I get beat up, you know.
Rose and Rose, I'm there, so. Right, one of the fine, boom.
Nice. Sweet. Water sweet.
Yeah guys, so you know I'm gonna prepare to share the food now. Sharing time now, you know. A sharing time, you know. Wow. So I'm share now, you know. We've got to go all the way down. don't eat fish? Oh Lord. Alright guys, so now sharing time. Show them one go on, show them the rice now. Rice is ready.
Oh, but a Callaloo?
Callaloo rice. Callaloo rice. Already.
Whoa. That is it.
Come on that side.
Yeah.
So get the sunlight.
Right.
Alright.
That is it. Whoa. It's like how you take over the chef role.
Yeah man, go on now, take it over, you know.
You never know how you name master chef.
Alright. Give your whole chef a break, you know.
Ah, that is it.
Been asking for the break, so.
Get a look her.
See that woman? Vital, you know.
Vital.
We will have to love them, man, because you are natural.
Natural.
We will have to love them. And you're right. I used to think enough people. People don't play with the king.
Oh.
Don't play with the king. Them you do the right thing in the earth. And then can pass. And then can pass.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
You show people that go on with you.
Oh. And that I go on
And
prefect.
I paradise to go on people. Yeah, man.
Killing paradise.
Yeah, man. And I paradise. Yeah, man.
Killing paradise, you know. Food is nothing. We don't want to bother putting on oat dumpling, we don't put the Callaloo rice.
Callaloo rice?
Yeah. We was going to do oat dumpling today, but we say, yeah,
change it up.
Change it up a bit. We get the banana dumpling the last time, you know? Just give them the Callaloo rice. Callaloo rice.
This is the Vital.
Vital, man.
Right, food warrior do with it, man.
Yeah, they look pretty here.
Pretty.
That's it. Boom. We are count off a one with the couple.
Messi. Give me a count off. What I'm saying? Yeah? Pause it.
Okay. The French, you want the rice only? You want the rice only?
Yeah.
In the rice.
In the rice. No, she don't eat fish. She's allergic. We have another. She said yeah.
Tell her the rice season. The rice done season already.
Season rice.
Call her.
Come here, baby girl. Call her. Yeah.
Alright, so when I guess them don't eat fish, so she getting the Callaloo seasoned rice. You know?
Wow, mackerel. There we go. Look what I got in here.
I don't want to grip it on my.
You want to grip on your? Alright, so the rose are rose feet. Rose are rose, so yeah, your son then, right?
Yeah.
Rose are rose getting the feet one first, you know.
Oh, that's it.
No gravy.
Yeah.
So miss the gravy boat. Rose are rose, tell them what's going on. Tell them what's going on. Callaloo.
Jackson! Go on phone.
Boom! AJ! Alright, we take over now.
Yeah. Take over.
Alright. Whoa, chef! Oh, chef, now want to come out the pool.
Oh, Jesus! My dream!
My dream.
Whoa! Yeah, food ready!
This is all the paradise.
Callaloo rice.
Great ones, you know.
Prefect I put on the gravy now, guys, you know.
Yeah, man, them people that come in and them on the rice. That's how we do in our paradise. One.
Every time.
But I know 2 and 3. This is what it look like now. This is Callaloo rice on this side. And some para. See how they in the river now. Good Jamaican people. If you ever smell the food here. What? I'll kill you.
Not to mention the taste.
Put some more.
Not to
mention the taste. No time to waste.
I'll wait till the side.
You want to give on it?
Yeah, but I'm going to come take up on.
Some girl pan.
Rasta.
That's far right. It's all about more
Yeah,
blessing,
man.
you know? Yeah, more prosperity, you know?
What about man?
Yeah.
You this, you know everything going on.
My wonder one.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks, you know. That's how we share the love, you know.
Yes, sir. We share the love. Ripper. Okay.
Okay.
Good ladies.
Okay.
Some of this.
You find this, yeah.
Am I on this game or am I on this?
Oh,
Rasta.
Rasta on that. And you're not rip up.
Am I on that?
I'm flying up,
Ripper. Okay. And your friend says you know, I know.
Yeah, I'm going to get some vegetable rice.
Yeah, see fat. Whoa!
Oh, the gravy make different.
Yeah.
Right now. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
while ago, I got 6, but you know, I'm like 7 or 8 go a while ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you know, I feel nice, alright, you know? You know, punk, yo. You know, star, Italy, they eat them food, and
Yeah.
Punk, you know.
You want more rice water? What him say? You want more? Give me a spoon and plate there. Alright guys, so you know the thing go, we're having a nice time here. You know what? Mammee River, you know, the hidden paradise. So this is what we're dealing with today. Fish. You know, fish. And you know the thing go. Callaloo rice. Callaloo rice. And that is it. How we're looking. Rosa, what's going?
Everything good, everything good.
Hey, it is good.
Callaloo rice, a boss.
Yeah. Yes, it's not going on bad at all.
Boss food.
It's not going on bad at all. That is it. Trying to get some review. Right on the river. Right on the river, I'm gonna sit down and eat. Perfect, what I go on?
That's fine. That is it, man. It's up, you know?
Yeah.
Callaloo rice and you see?
And swim around.
Right.
Here, cheers!
I eat this.
I eat.
I eat.
Can you hear us eat? Can you hear that I swim around, man, you know? What I go on? What I go on?
Yeah, Mr. General, you don't know it couldn't verse. But you don't know we no curse. Yes, so let's give thanks and praise, you know, and go and bless it. And you don't know, more blessing.
More blessing. Ripper,
good look, man. Yeah, man, Keen have it. Never know him so bad in a chef pit.
Right.
Yeah, man, I really hope, man.
See,
Father bless him still, you know, so you don't know him and I go bless. But the brain bless him and half a bless.
That's
Heart of love.
Heart of love.
Give a thanks to the Most High, you hear that? Yeah, man, one thing.
Why?
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 Something different today. Why?
Not a talking about. You know, you see you know, you put a style and pattern, man.
Because we say whenever we do oats dumpling today, we say we're going to do some Callaloo rice. You know?
Cut them with coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Hey, this is what I say. Anything you cook with coconut milk.
Jeez.
Well flavored.
When I say look away, anything you cook with what?
Coconut milk.
Anything you cook with what?
Coconut milk.
I'm not talking coconut powder.
Coconut milk. Well flavored.
Look at it, man. Ice cold and green, you know.
That's right.
If you don't use ice cold and green, you can't see no real boy. You know?
No.
Tell them all the while, look. You know, see you're too bad in there. Look up private, man. You know,
Hey.
you know that?
Right, Mama Michelle taught me well. You know, I was growing up running a lot of boat.
Yeah.
So, and I was doing cooking in school. Yeah. Remember the first time when I cook creative? Yes, when I was doing that in school and cook and I was CVM was there, mommy, but I wasn't cooking nothing big. I was cooking bull beef and macaroni. Mommy, I said you go like you're a big chef, you cook. What's your bull beef and macaroni on TV?
That's not dumpling.
Yeah, yeah. Mommy say you go like you're a big chef. She cook look a bull beef and macaroni on TV. But yo, them say it was the best. Yeah. You know? Ladies, she said she don't eat no fish.
I'm allergic to fish.
She's allergic to fish. So she's a Esther company, just like Esther. Esther not eat fish when I'm a friend. Okay, how's the Callaloo rice going?
The rice nice.
Nice?
It tastes good. I just want to wash it down now.
Eh?
I just want to wash it down now.
Alright, so they're gonna hire me for cook. Yeah man, just hire me man. When the party event comes, just call me.
Oh guys, remember, we'll do.
Yeah? On a river trip, so I come cook on a river trip.
That's not wrong.
Alright. Come over here to Rasta, Messi and the whoa.
Come here before the head done, the head part, me love.
Yeah. And what?
Just get it so it's here already.
Hey, I go check the pot. More rice in the pot, you know.
Civilized, alright.
Circle pop before, wow, circle it, you know.
Yeah, man, flavor it, this, you know.
Yeah, flavor it. Oh, say I'm flavor it. Whoa.
Yeah, man, flavor it, you know.
Boy, I look like a sleep in the river.
Yeah, man, because I watch my whole vibes, man, come my eye, you know. And I tell you, yes, me I say, I'm a flavor it, man. Callaloo rice, I'm a flavor it with the ackee.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Well, this time I'm with the fried
man,
parrot.
Fried parrot, yes.
I know what them say. Remember them? Parrot is a vegetarian fish, you know.
Yeah, call me eat meat.
They may eat meat.
Yeah, because I watch them, some love them.
Yes, I don't know the best fish to eat. Because they may eat meat.
I don't love parrot. And I say, me I talk like parrot, you know. Because me I say, I want different flavor from different fish, them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That is it.
Slime made parrot good for my back. Because it's slime, you know.
Yeah.
And I tell them, man, you know.
It's good for him back.
Yeah, boom, them just eat the head part. I eat me I work with now.
But it seems like you try to save your fish off or cook something with it. You know your style already, you know.
You know the style already, but you know.
The Callaloo rice alone can eat like Caesar rice, you know.
I know, that's why I do it. And more rice like pot.
Circle it quick. Watch it, boom, go circle the pot quick. It look like it look civilized up there, you know. Guys, you know my time to go eat now. You know. Beverage, where's the lemonade? Where is the lemonade? Where is the lemonade? The lemonade. Would they ever mix no lemonade star?
Bambo, look up, you know.
Manners, where's it going, my general?
Boy, I tell you, it's up, you know.
It's
up, man. You don't miss nothing, people. Only thing it miss at this now, if you go in my belly. Believe me, no, man.
That is it. Civilized. Yeah. Man, yeah, man, cooler, man, straight coconut, man. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Best part of the bun. I want to do them, and we cook it.
I don't know all the coconut milk there.
Oh, all of the protein.
Yeah.
All of the vitamins, and everything about the strength, the energy.
Everything they done this right now. Nothing now.
Yeah. I tell them, so Mama should tell them about them things. Bun are the best. Mama told me them stuff called anywhere we go in the world, Kino. You don't know. It's all about the good one, chef, good doctor, good advisor, everything. Okay. Yeah. All over the world I say this, you know? I'm not afraid. Real ghetto style. I want to scrape bun. I got the research what we know. We act like them not scrape bun.
Yeah, I like them at them.
Yeah. And them still do it. Cooking nice. Oh. I'm told
when you say all the visual stuff.
Oh, some people like them afraid and them shy for doing it.
Perfect. I use the river water and can go in
the world.
On your river.
Keen, how are them doing? Think afraid to eat bun? I want to them, Keen. I want to them. I'm just style and I'm just spoil and we just show the world. Say boy, you hear me to the very last drop.
Yeah.
Finger licking, Jamaican cooking,
good
Keen cooking. And the chef over there.
Perfect.
Alright. Advisor. Okay. Yeah. We like whistle. Oh.
Lean like whistle.
Look at the bun like pretty. So the bun like pretty. Got everything in one.
Nature.
Yeah, got everything in order. Yeah.
Nature.
Get up, Rob. International staff. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, now.
More strength.
Here and share.
More like.
Master, man. We are doing work.
Pull man.
We are doing work. All if who never do it. Them just a start them.
Just a start.
But we are doing it.
We are doing it, man.
Him love what we are doing.
I beg a link again, I'm say Yeah. The week I get my forward back.
Give thanks again.
Frequently.
Give thanks again. I tell you, the movement's right.
General, manners man, yeah? How for them here? Oh, whoa. Oh. Movements, ripper, of drop paper. Yes guys, so that is it for today. You know, it was a wonderful day. Not lying, we're leaving now. Leaving this beautiful paradise. Very nice, we're not lying. Very, very nice refill. The day, boy?
Lovely, man.
Lovely.
It was a beautiful day.
Where you say the green oxtail?
Yeah, green oxtail did it for me.
You know what him call the green oxtail? The Callaloo. The green oxtail. Yeah. The green oxtail. Which one? Hello?
Who tell you that?
Who?
Yes, I'm telling you every time.
Yeah, Mari.
No, stop.
Yeah?
Look up in that picture. Look up in that camera. You're ugly. Look at me pretty. Look here, look here.
Wow, alright, princess. She's a queen.
I'm a father camera.
Are you father camera?
See father going out.
Your father's going away. So what, you're not supposed to touch anything?
No, when you tell her come, turn it on.
Oh, touch the screen. Oh.
Say they can go back camera. Smile, daddy.
Yeah. You never know you have
Yeah?
Kino wear white socks.
Yeah.
Clean socks.
Yeah, my say anybody don't have.
What you know look around?
Hi, hello. This is the great Shaggy Paul. One and only DJ. Dream Team.
Look! Ugly man. Full body can. Look here.
Sorry. Me keep the camera now. Alright guys, so we're gonna leave now. You know, Mammee River, the hidden paradise. You know, we're gonna leave here now until next time.
River Nile.
River Nile. And the River Nice. River Nice. So Rose is here on the next trip again, guys. You know, we have Hope River as well to go and check out as well too. We need to go Hope River as well too. Isn't it, Prefect? See my daughter here, guys. So this is my daughter. Right? This is my daughter. If I'm come here, I adapt her. Right? So see you next time, okay? My daughter. Alright. Yeah, daddy. But you see her from the previous video. As she is. My daughter. Alright then.
In a general, but I know the whole of the man in general. I know you watch every day of my life, man.
Yeah.
I you watch every day of my life. Here's the Mr. Jackson, man. Here's the Mr. Jackson. What about that?
know the whole of the bar.
Yeah. What about that? But I'm a singer this.
Yeah.
Here's the singer.
Yeah, man.
Good life, man.
Yeah, man. Cooler, man. Respect, man.
G, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
No, we had them every general.
Yeah,
I love
man.
it, man.
Cooler, man.
I tell you, Mr. Man. I mean, I post all the thing all the while.
Yeah. Alright. So worship the next time, worship around there, so.
That's nothing, man.
Alright.
I did that. See that in that?
Yeah.
Alright, that's the party.
Big up.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.